Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to go ahead and find drafts on Facebook. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, there are two ways to go ahead and do so. One is going to be from your Meta Business Suite, which is the easiest one to do on your Facebook. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and create a post. Let's just say write something just like that. Click on done, and I'm just going to go ahead and back out, click on save draft. Now, if I go ahead and look around all the places, there's no actual way I can go ahead and find it. But little did you know, all you needed to do was just click on the write again and your latest draft will come back. I'll show you that this is not rigged. So if I go ahead and add an image as well, let's just say that one, click on next, and I'm just going to go ahead and save draft. And if I go ahead and click here again, as you can see, it's going to pop back out. It's so simple. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.